Hi, let's look at this question together. A rectangular tank with a square base of side 40 cm and the height of 100 cm was 1/5 filled with water. 4 bottles containing 2.6 liter each of oil each, were poured into the tank. The oil floated on the water. Find the height of the oil level from the base of the tank. So this is the tank. Okay, the side is 40 cm, so it's 40 by 40, and the height is 100 cm, and is 1/5 filled with water. This is the 4 bottle of oil, which will then be poured into the tank itself, and the oil actually float on the water. Okay, so the question asks, what is the height of the oil from the base of the tank? That means from here all the way to the top. Okay, and each bottle is 2.6 liter. Now let's look at what we know from the question itself. Okay, what do we know? We know this tank is 40 by 40. We know the height is 100. It's 1/5 filled with water. So if it's 1/5 filled with water, means the height of this water is 1/5 of 100. In this case, is 20 centimeter. Okay, so this is 1/5 of 100. We know there's 4 bottles of oil. Each bottle is 2.6 liter. So if you pour all the oil out, the total volume of the oil is 2.6 times 4 is equal to 14.6 liter. So you have these two pieces of information, 20 centimeter here and 10.4 liter of oil altogether. Now let's solve this problem. So height of the tank, height of the water in the tank is 1/5 of 100, so is 20 centimeter. So it's 1/5 times 100 is 20 centimeter. Total volume of the oil is 2.6 liter times 4 is 10.4 liter. Okay, now that's come the important part. Okay, this in liter. Okay, this is in centimeter. You must work everything in the same unit. So remember, 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So I repeat, 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So 10.4 liter is 10.4 times 1000 centimeter cube is 10400 centimeter cube. Okay, so remember to advise your child to check the unit. If it's liter, this must be centimeter cube. Okay, yeah, sorry, if liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, so volume of the oil in the tank is length times breadth times height. So if you look at this, it's your length times breadth times the height. Okay, since we know it's going to pour into the same tank, so the length and breadth is 40. The volume we know is 10,400. So we can find the height by 10,400 divided by 40 divided by 40. And we get the height as 6.5 centimeter. So what is the height of the oil from the base of the tank is actually the height of the water plus the height of the oil. Okay. Okay. So with that, it will be 20 plus 6.5 is 26.5 centimeter. So the answer is 26.5 centimeter. I hope it helps. Thank you.